You can also apply 1 to 2 drops under your wrists, behind your ears or the back of your neck, over your heart area, or on. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to talk about the benefits and uses of doTERRA's Console Essential Oil Blend. Losing someone or someone you love can be deeply disorienting and painful. Words unspoken and questions unanswered may keep you worried and unsettled. The doTERRA Console Comforting Blend of floral and tree essential oils will help you close the door on sadness and take your first steps on a hopeful path toward emotional healing. Bind your broken heart with doTERRA Console Comforting Blend for a natural solution. The top 2 common uses for doTERRA's Console Blend are aromatic, so breathing it in, as well as topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there. The main benefits of the Console Blend are that it helps soothe feelings of sorrow and grief during troubled times. The directions for use are diffusing 6 to 10 drops in an 8-hour diffuser, like the doTERRA Aromalite diffuser, or the Lumo diffuser is also a good choice. You can also apply 1 to 2 drops under your wrists, behind your ears or the back of your neck, over your heart area, or on the bottoms of your feet to promote feelings of peace. And I like to use doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil whenever I do that, because this is a great non-greasy, no-smell carrier oil that helps reduce the chance of irritation from the essential oil, cover larger surface areas of your body, and it helps the essential oil absorb better into your skin. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did. Hit the subscribe button for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.